How to change name on Omi TV. Hi guys, in this video we will be learning how you'll be able to change your name in using Omi TV. So what you can do here is simply go to your web browser, and you can definitely use incognito tab to access Omi TV. And what you have to do is just simply log in or sign up with another account, whether you have another account in VK or if you have another account in Facebook, since those are the two ways for you to be able to access Omi TV. You need to use either your Facebook login or Facebook account or your VK account. So all you have to do here is to, let's say, click on Omi TV and then open the application. All you have to do, let's try to log this out. And then when you log in, as I mentioned earlier, you can sign in with your FB account or your VK account to connect. So all you have to do is simply create another account for these two platforms so that you'll be able to change your name and access Omi TV. That's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye!